In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram Reels pause option not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, you want to open up any web browser such as Google Chrome. Now you want to type Instagram server. Now open any reliable website such as Detector and see if there is any server outage. If the Instagram servers are down, wait until the issue is fixed. Next, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to type Instagram. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After updating the app, you want to head over to your settings. For that, tap and hold on Instagram. Now tap on this app info icon. On settings, you want to find storage. Tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. This should clear any temporary app data and may remove bugs crashing the issue. Now, open Instagram and check if the issue is fixed. If it is not, then you want to reinstall the app. For that, uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store. After that, restart your phone, open Instagram and head over to the Reels section, and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.